Do you struggle with keeping your blood sugar levels balanced? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world face the same challenge every day. Introducing Sugar Defender, a natural supplement designed to help you take control of your metabolic health and support healthy blood sugar levels. Crafted by Jeffrey Mitchell, Sugar Defender combines 24 natural ingredients, carefully chosen for their effectiveness in helping your body regulate glucose. These ingredients come from high-quality natural sources. The best part? It's easy to use. Sugar Defender comes in a convenient liquid form, so no more swallowing pills. Just a few drops and you're ready to go. And don't worry, it's 100% natural and free from GMOs and stimulants. Plus, it's safe for adults of all ages, from your 30s to your 70s. Sugar Defender is your natural ally in maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Start seeing results fast. Many users experience positive changes in just a short time. Order now and choose a package of 3 or 6 bottles to receive 2 free bonus ebooks instantly. These guides are packed with tips on living a healthier lifestyle. And if you're still on the fence, don't worry. Every purchase is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right. You can try Sugar Defender risk-free. Take the first step towards better metabolic health today. Try Sugar Defender and feel the difference. Click the link below and order now. Support your body naturally, maintain healthy blood sugar levels, and live the life you deserve with Sugar Defender.